Welcome to the Global AI Learning and Leadership Hub. Good afternoon, everyone. It's such a pleasure to welcome all of you to this beautiful outdoor lecture here in Czechoslovakia. Isn't this setting just breathtaking? We are honored to have such a diverse group of attendees from around the world, all sharing a passion for automotive parts procurement and development. Thank you for joining us. As you can see, we've set up this virtual screen to enhance your experience. Today, we are privileged to hear from a world-renowned expert in automotive parts procurement, Mr. James. With over 30 years of experience, James has revolutionized how companies approach purchasing. Please give him a warm welcome.
Thank you, Katie, for that kind introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to be here with you today, surrounded by such stunning scenery, and more importantly, such bright minds. I'm James, and I've spent the past 3 decades working in the automotive parts industry. My expertise spans procurement, materials development, and corporate management. Today, I'll share insights into the evolving role of procurement in corporate success. Let's dive in. To start, let me emphasize this. Procurement is the backbone of any competitive business. It's not just about buying materials. It's about securing profitability and ensuring business continuity. The role of procurement includes meeting production needs by ensuring that raw materials align with 3 critical factors: quality, cost, and delivery. With outsourcing on the rise, procurement's role has expanded significantly. We now act as a bridge between internal departments and external suppliers, fostering collaboration and driving innovation.
Hello, James. Thank you for the inspiring lecture. My name is Maria, and I'm currently studying to work in the automotive parts industry. I'd like to ask, could you explain how the perception of procurement has changed over time?
Great question, Maria. Let's look at how procurement has transformed. In the past, companies were manufacturing-focused. Procurement was seen as a cost center, with its primary role being to reduce costs. Relationships with suppliers were competitive, almost adversarial. Today, the landscape is completely different. Businesses are now procurement-focused, and the department is viewed as a profit center. Procurement creates value by ensuring a stable supply of high-quality materials while optimizing costs. Our relationships with suppliers have shifted to partnerships, collaborative, win-win relationships that prioritize mutual growth.
That makes so much sense. Thank you for explaining it so clearly.
Hi, James. My name is Elena, and I work in the purchasing department of a Czech automotive parts company. Your lecture has been incredibly insightful. I'd like to ask, what are the key factors we should consider when evaluating and selecting suppliers? I want to improve my knowledge to perform better in my role.
Thank you, Elena, for your excellent question. Evaluating and selecting suppliers is a critical responsibility for procurement professionals. Unfortunately, we're running short on time today. Don't worry, I'll dedicate a section to this topic in tomorrow's lecture. We'll go over the essential evaluation criteria, from financial stability to technical capabilities, in great detail. I hope you'll join us for day 2.
Thank you, James. I'll definitely be here tomorrow.
Thank you, James, for such an engaging and informative lecture, and thank you to everyone who participated today. Your questions and enthusiasm made this event truly special. As James mentioned, tomorrow we'll continue with day 2, where we'll explore supplier evaluation and selection in greater depth. I encourage all of you to join us for another inspiring session. Let's continue to learn, grow, and share ideas together. Thank you all, and enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. Want to learn more? Stay tuned for more AI-powered business insights and leadership lessons.